My people, how you guys doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me Social Media Oracle. I am at the Oracle VA across all social media platforms, and I run and manage a social media marketing agency. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. Okay, how you guys doing? Today, I want to do the same thing I do all the time. Talk about social media strategies that will work for you. All right? This is what we do with our clients. This is how we get them results. So I'm sharing with you how we can help you get results. So if you want us to manage your social media, you want us to run your campaigns, you want us to manage social media for you, you want us to handle your ads, please let me know. We can handle all of this. Okay? All right, guys. So today we're talking about Facebook ads and your e-commerce platform. All right. Now, I've been talking about Facebook ads in a lot of times, and a lot of strategies I've talked about for Facebook ads can actually work for your e-commerce company, all right, or for your e-commerce site, right? I hope you've been using them. But today I want to talk about something really, really specific. It's what I call retargeting your e-commerce targets, or retargeting your e-commerce buyers. Now, this is it. Many of us have had people that have bought from our e-commerce stores, people that have visited the store, people that have actually bought. All right? How many of you know that you can retarget those that have bought? Yes. On your e-commerce store or your e-commerce site, there's a particular area of the site where purchase happens. So people that visit there, that purchase, put their cards and all of that, you can actually target those people that have visited those places. How is that done? Using Facebook ads. Okay, using Facebook ads. All right. Normally, many of you actually even use Facebook ads and do conversions and drive people straight to buy with your e-commerce store. Okay, it can work. But what if you follow the Facebook ads funnel thing, and you do from awareness, then you go to the engagement area before you do the conversions? Don't you think you'll get better results? You could try it out. I'm sure your results will be better. All right? Now look at this other strategy again. If you have an e-commerce store, right? Just follow me. And people are already visiting the store. Do you have a Facebook pixel on that store? Are you actually tracking the events, tracking visitors on that store? Are you doing that? It's important that you do. All right, it's important that you do. See, I'm talking about some really crazy strategies here. So you probably have to invite your friends to come and watch this. Or you probably, I agree. Some of you don't want your friends to know how you do it. It's fine, right? But this is what you can do for me. You can like, comment, and subscribe. All right? And send your friend another video. Don't send them this one so that they don't see this one, since you want to hide it. All right? You can send them another video. All right? But please like, comment, subscribe, share your issues so that we can deal with them live on this show. Okay? So, back to the gist. Now, you have people visiting your store. You should be tracking them with a Facebook pixel. Right? So you can run ads to people who have visited your store. Right? You can run ads to people who didn't get to the purchase area and say, hey, you didn't get to the purchase area. What happened? All right? Or actually take a discount or something. You could do that. Right? What else can you do? If you track people that have made purchases, or okay, before I go to the people that made purchases, let's go back to the people that have visited. All right? So let's say 10 people visited your site today, and you're tracking them with your Facebook advert pixel. So after visiting your site, you track them, you now run a retargeting ad to the people who visited, probably sending them another product for them to see. But while you have created the custom audience for those that visited, right? I would also advise this: for every custom audience you create, please create a lookalike audience. That is what I always advise, but some people don't do that. Now, Custom audiences will give you a small number based on those that are visited. What Facebook now does for you is, from the custom audiences that have been created, Facebook now creates a lookalike audience, an audience that looks like your custom audiences, an audience that looks like those that have visited your site, right? And it's usually way more. You can create 1% to 10%. 1% look really like them, 10% look further away from how they look, but still have a lot of characteristics too, right? But 1% are the closest. So you can actually do that and create, as in, you can multiply the number of people you could reach based on this, right? So people have visited your site. You are retargeting them after creating a custom audience from those that visited the site. Now, just something really quick. When you are creating your custom audience, you can create custom audience as far back as 365 days, meaning like people that visited your site in a year, right? But for this to work, it's really better if you reduce the time. Say 1 month, 30 days. People that visited your site in the last 30 days. People that visited your site in the last 60 days. All right? So you create the custom audience for those. Create a lookalike audience for each custom audience. So you're running the ads to reach the custom audience. You're running the ads to reach the lookalike audience. Can you see how beautiful that is? Okay. Now, look at this. You now move to people who have made a purchase. I say, okay, Facebook creates a custom audience of those who have made a purchase. Then you now create a lookalike audience for those who have made that purchase. Fantastic, right? So what Facebook is doing for you is, Facebook is saying, I would help you reach people who look like the people who have bought from you. Isn't that awesome? Right? Then Facebook is also telling you, you can create the 1% of those people. You can create the 10% of those people. So let's say you create 1%. People that look extremely close to those who have bought from you already. Don't you think they will likely buy from you? You can see that how that works. It's fantastic. Many of you just rely on, I'm having lots of people visiting my page, organic traffic. It's good, organic traffic. But try out Facebook ads for this, right? Facebook ads to your site. People are already visiting. Retargeting those who have actually visited, those who have actually clicked. Creating a custom audience from those who have already clicked. Creating a custom audience and a lookalike audience from those who have actually purchased, right? You will get way better results with your Facebook ads if you try this. All right? If you try this, just try it and let me know how it works for you. Okay? Just let me know how it works for you. I'm sure you're going to love it, right? So this is the idea. Facebook knows those people. Facebook knows and sees their online behavior. So Facebook can track them, right? Facebook knows people that have similar behaviors. So Facebook can group them together and your adverts can reach them. Okay? Remember one thing, for every advert, you must have a great creative video or an image. You must have a fantastic copy. And you must have a fantastic call to action. Right? These are the things that would actually, no advert will work without all of this. So get all of this right first. Right? Then sort out all those audience issues. Follow the strategies I've shared with you. All right? Thank you very much for listening. All right? Please like and subscribe. All right? Send me questions. You can reach me at the Oracle VA across all social media platforms. You can reach me on WhatsApp at 234-81-7710-8267. All right? So whatever the issues, social media related, attracting clients, social media management, social media marketing, Facebook ads, they banned your account, they disabled your account, you can run ads, whatever. Let's talk. All right? Take advantage of my free 30 minutes chat. You can talk to me for 30 minutes for free. All right? Pick my brain. All right? It's here. Feel free to pick it. All right? Thank you very much. Until I see you next time. Remember, strategies win battles, not weapons. All right? Thank you very much, guys. Boom.